Good evening. So we are doing our charting session. So one day late. Sorry. Okay. So today, yung PSE nag-down ng 65 points. Okay? But the highest na down niya is 200 plus points. Nangyayari lang sa closing, nagkaroon ng mga mark on close up. So from 200 plus points, naging 65 points down yung market. Okay, so let's discuss the picks that we want to, the stocks that we want to watch. From last Friday's watch list, from 19 naging 9 na lang today. Okay? So madaming natanggal bigla dahil sa move today. Okay? But pag-usapan pa rin natin lahat sila since Friday until now. Ano yung mga nagbago at saka ano yung nagstay. Okay? Okay, so ito. Okay, so ito yung chart. So kanina nakita natin na down ng 200 plus points, okay? And then na-close ng 7,788 which is down ng 65 points lang. But it is only sa closing. So finors up nila yung mga down na blue chips, okay? So if you will draw a line, this is at the 200-day moving average, okay? So ito yung support line, okay? So nagkaroon yan ng crisis because of the Argentina issue and then the trade war of China. So lahat sila nagpatong-patong, so that's why nagka-sell off. And then the property sector in the Philippines nagkaroon ng negative sentiment because of the news ng China that may crackdown sa Pogo, gambling ng mga Chinese dito. So mga stocks that got affected the most, yung mga property sector where the Pogos are. So Mega World or in isa doon, top doon is Mega World. It was downgraded today. Kaya nakita natin yung sell off. Okay? Yan. Laki ng down. Okay? So 3 days na siya down. 3 days siya down. Okay? Almost 14% in 3 days. Okay? So there might be a bounce play in this. So you might want to watch this, okay? Okay, anyway, we'll just talk about yung anong mga nasa list natin. Okay, first is Abacor. Okay, so this is still above the 50-day MA, ano? So this is still on a uptrend. Ngayon, nag-test siya ng 50-day MA. So if ever this will be the support, sana mag-hold siya. So let's wait and see. Nasa range pa rin siya, okay? So lower end of the range, 85 to 110. Okay, so if you want to trade the range, you can trade the range. Okay. Next up is ABS-CBN. Nagkaroon siya ng ADX. Nagkaroon siya ng ADX when it was maket siya from 17 to 20. Yan. So, nagkaroon siya ng ADX dito. So, that's why now, nasa radar siya. Okay? So, ngayon, we just want to observe this stock. Wala naman nangyayari pa, but it can be in a reversal. So, as long as it stays above 18, it should be okay. 18 to 20 range. Okay? 18, 20 range. Okay? Sa isang malaking box. Okay, this is the range. Okay. 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 Artaland. Okay, going into the day, okay pa siya. But meron tayong positive news. Meron siyang partner with Japanese firms to develop the property in the south. But today, nadamay sa sell-off, so it's down now at the 50-day MA support. Okay, this is at the 50-day 95. So medyo nag-offshoot siya. Okay, so this should serve as an immediate support, 90 or 95. Okay. So we'll see what happens. Okay. Apex Mining ang one of the stronger stocks dahil dun sa kasi yung PXP hindi pa rin bumaba. So this one is strong but wala akong entry point here. So hindi observe muna natin to kasi hindi natin alam. Wala pa akong clear entry point here, okay? Up next is the BPI. Okay, BPI Bank. Yan, no? So kanina 89 na lang, nag-close sa 91.6. Okay? So this is ito yung strongest of all the banks. So if ever magkakaroon ito yung alpha ng banks as of today and BDO. So here, nandito lang sa taas ng range. So we'll just wait and see what happens. Okay? Cebu Pacific, nag-report ng strong earnings today but as you can see, hindi pa rin siya umangat. Bakit? Kasi of the weak market sentiment. As kahit na sobrang lakas ng earnings niya today, hindi pa rin siya umangat. So we'll just wait and see. The support will be at 85.5, okay? Yan. Pero as of now, nandiyan siya sa may moving average of 50-day. So let's just wait what happens. Okay. DMW is at the 50-day MA also. So this is also affected by the property news sa Pogo. Okay? But this was added sa PSE index. Okay? So nung Friday nadagdag siya sa PSE. But as you can see, medyo walang nangyari dahil nga dun sa negative sentiment news of the Pogo news. Okay. Up next is this. We see this last week, breakout, GSMI, nag-try mag-breakout sa 69, then failed. And then after that earnings report, now it's below the 50-day MA. Kala ko mag-hold yung 50-day MA at the 57.50 mark. But this is just in 3 days, ang laki ng down. So this might cost yung, tingin ko dito yung cost nito yung profit taking, no? Since most people are cautious of the market, marami nag-profit take, okay? So now, you can see this support before, and we'll draw the line here, and here, okay? 56 and 53, and then it's ngayon, nasa isang range na siya, okay? Parang ito na. Kasi since nag-breakout, bumalik sa loob, so ngayon, we can see this range, itong range na to, okay? Okay. GT Cap. So today, it broke down the 50-day MA. Nasa list yan nung Friday, ngayon nawala. So we'll just alisin natin yan. HLCM, ganda rin yung chart niya going into the day. But today, we saw this dip, nag-break ng 50-day. So, ito, medyo ayaw ko na rin ito. IDC is still on an uptrend. So, ito, alpha pa to, nag-20-day lang, MA. So, uptrend channel, cautious lang ako. So, if ever you want to buy it, cut nyo is 620 near the 20-day MA support, okay? So may chance to umakyat, but as of now, you're in the middle, 660, 6 in low, high niya is 730, okay? Okay, NIKL Asia, going today, maganda rin yung chart, pero today, down. So, 50-day MA yung next support niya dito, okay? PPG, also nice chart, uptrend siya, but now bumaba ng 10 and 20-day MA, nandito support line. Okay, yan yung support niya, but next support is at 5 sa 50-day MA. You just want to monitor this. Mga alpha stocks na gusto natin i-monitor. So we want to catch them if ever, okay? PXMI, kanina umakyat to 420 pero nag-doji, bumalik ng 404 ODR, one-day reversal meaning na to, but still on an uptrend. itong support niya, immediate support niya will be 390. Okay, so baka dahil umakit din yung gold kaya malakas din to, but hindi ko siya priority nga because it's also liquid and mining stocks sa Philippines, mas medyo hindi siya ganun ka-efficient. Okay, the standout stock lang itong PXP. Dire-diretso pa rin yung akyat niya, nag-rest lang dito. So, entry point natin mga dito lang or dito. Pero after nyan, hindi ko na may enter in today. So, if you entered yesterday here, di ba, cut mo dito sa previous day. So, okay, up na siya ulit. So, ito lang yung one of the strong issue today. RCB, hulog din, okay? VLL, also the same. It went down today. So, prior to, okay. So, yun na yung list natin. So, medyo wala tayong nakitang mga magandang setup. So, meaning nun, market is weaker, okay? So we have to wait and see where the market is really going. But yung PSE sell down today is very, very exaggerated because nag-holiday nung Monday. So nag-down nung Friday, yung US down din nung Monday night. So Tuesday, laki ng down niya. Okay? Yun yung reason, parang 2 days na consolidate tapos down siya in 1 day. 2 down days sa US. Nagpahinga tayo ng holiday tapos pagbukas, kaya exaggerated yung down. Okay? So we expect a bounce. Pag nilagay natin to dito, okay, let's put this 100. Sorry. This is at 200 day. 200 day simple moving average support. Yan. Okay? So this is the short-term support, but the next support will be at around 7,500. Okay? So as of now, nagkaroon ng support. So we can see this, we can bounce back around 7,900. Bullish target will be 8,000. Okay? So nakita natin may konting support dito kung dito nag-hold yung 7,780 levels. Okay. So we saw sell off, so looking for the bounce play. Okay? So this might be ito sakto sa 100 day at 540. So this can be a bounce because 3 straight days na siyang down. So yan yung mga gusto niyo tignan ngayon. So since we are doing it, so since we are here in the maraming bumaba, we can see fast bounces on the way up. Okay, you just need to look for them closely. So I think one big candidate is Mega World because yan yung pinakamalaking hit dun sa down. Okay, not Jollibee because Jollibee is in Jollibee bounce is seen. Itong bounce na to is itong dito. Okay? Unang bounce lang yan. Okay? So, itong pangalawa, ito yung earnings na sobrang down na. So, we want to play the bounce on the first down. Not on the first down, dun yung bounce. Not on the second one na pababa. Meaning yan, may momentum na pababa. On the first bounce, first down day, we did not see the ADX move up. Now, it moved up. Dito sa second part ng pababa, this is also umakyat na yung momentum. So, momentum niya ng Jollibee on the way down is fast. So, dito, mas yung bounce niya, hindi mabilis makuha yung bounce. The bounce happens on the first big drop. Okay? That's why I am telling you to, if ever, to look at the ones that had, ito, 1, 2, 3, 15% in 3 days, Mega World. Okay, ano pa ba? Web, 2 drops pero nag-pause na dito. So, nag-pause, hindi nag-bounce. Ito, continuation na to. So, you can see this. down ng 24% in 5 days, 6 days in web. Um, you can still, baka ito may bounce din, but hindi ako super confident and medyo illiquid siya. So you want to play the bounce with more liquidity, okay? Okay, so at the current situation ngayon, the US is up around 400 points, meaning nagkaroon ng positive news dun sa China trade news. So we might see tomorrow index bounce back. So bouncing back tomorrow will be a chance to get out of the positions you want to sell or chance to scalp the market, mga oversold issues. So makikita natin maraming oversold issues sa market dahil like this issue, like this stock web is down na siya ng 6 straight days, okay? Pero I prefer the bounce of this Mega World, okay? And then other properties stocks like FLI, so DM, and then banking, mga banks, yeah. Okay, so ito, sa 50-day support, nag-retest dito sa 50-day support sa 143, 143, okay? So this is, as of now, the trading position natin medyo pili. We stay with PXP, APX, we wait for the signs, kung anong nangyayari sa market. But sinasabi natin that in the Philippines, walang systemic risk, meaning there's nothing wrong with our economy. Pero nadadamay lang tayo sa mga outside events because hindi inevitable naman na hindi tayo madamay. So pag nagkaka-sell off sa ibang country, nadadamay rin yung Philippines kahit healthy economy natin. So if you are not fully invested, look at this as opportunity to buy cheap stocks, okay? So yun yung kailangan mo identify now. If you are traders, since most of us are traders, we want to look at those stocks na nasa may 50-day lang, around the 50-day MA, not too deep of a correction. Wag yung mga nasa 100 or 200 day. Gusto natin yung mga nasa 50-day lang at the most. So as of now, there's no clear momentum buys, but more on the bounce play. May momentum tayo nakita, pero it's very illiquid, meaning it's here. It's in the Santa Lucia land. Ito. Okay, so if na-trade nyo to, pwede, but wala siyang momentum. That's why hindi lumalabas sa radar ko. Okay? But this is an 52-week high ulit, or grabe to. So, sobrang taas na. So, may outlier spread itong XLI. And then, we can see a strong issue like PHEN or FINMA. Yan, dyan siya near the all-time high because ano na lang to? 10 cents, less than 15 cents away from the all-time high because bumili si Zobel de Ayala last week, ni-report niya, bumili siya sa around 260 area, okay? Okay, so top winners, top losers. So I think that's it for the week. Good luck. I'll update you guys ulit on Thursday, okay? Thursday midweek update natin kasi kakagawa lang natin nito today. So we only have 4 trading days for the week. We have 3 left. So look, I'm sure there will be a bounce tomorrow, most likely. So let's just wait and see what happens sa global markets. Okay? Good luck and thank you.